All right, gang. So we're back. Part two. Wanted to bring it down more. So candles are above. So we're in an uptrend. Um, and we're still in an uptrend. So like gold likes to move very, very fast. Very, very, very fast. Like I said, it was just at 805. Like 805 at this last higher high. The last video I had made yesterday was at 805. And it shot all the way up to 820 today. Like I said, it's going up for the day. You see, it went all the way up for today. Went all the way up for today. See long green candles. When you see long green candles, a more polar candle, then you'll know that buyers are in control, completely in control. Even you see red long green candlesticks, it shows strong momentum. It's not a weak candlestick. It's a very strong candlestick, meaning that buyers are in control or sellers are in control. In this case, buyers are in control because green is going up. So you see it going up on the daily, the weekly. For the week, it's going up almost back to 830. We do see price heading up to 830. That's our next key level. We see price heading up to. But for the last 2 days, price has been going up. So price has been going up for the week. We don't know if price will, like I said, we don't know price previously. I said this price. We don't know if price will close above here yet. I don't know yet. I'll keep you updated on that game because we know price can do anything it wants. Like price is starting to wick right now on the daily. You see it wicking a little bit. You can do whatever it wants. Price can shoot back down, then come back up, shoot back down, then come back up, or it can go all the way up to this level and just go to the next key level, which would be like 1845. After 1830, next key level would be 1845. 1840. So which would be like right here. Like right here. Like will be our next like level. Be like our next key level will be like 1845-ish level right here. But we haven't got there yet, so we don't know if we'll get up there yet. But it could get up there. If it does get up there, that will be our next level. This will be our next level. If price did get up there. So like I said, what we would do, we was just looking for buys. Like for this week, price was heading up. We don't see any signs yet that price is heading any other direction but up. So our entries will be right here, entries right here, entries right here. You will swing trading it. You could have swing traded this. You could have swing traded this all the way up from like 1792 all the way up to 1820. If you had the patience to hold that trade, you had to have you had to have a lot of patience when it comes to trading. The market is going to create structure. It's going to make higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. The hardest part is finding entries is when to really get in, like, to get in off this entry, off this higher low. That'd be like the hardest part. Cause once you're in profit the whole time. Like literally, you would have got in at 1792 around this area, you would have been in profit this whole time. And depending on your lot size, it could have easily been 50K trade, 20K trade, 10K, 5K, 2, 3K, depending on your lot size, easily. So like that's the hardest part really is finding when to get in. Like you will get in off the retest. Like once price makes a higher high, you will get in off the retest. You just retest right here, price heading back down after price makes a higher high. Let me draw this one right here. After price makes a higher high, like right here too, once price makes a higher high, it's going to always retest back down before making another higher high. Retest back down before making another higher high. So Um, that's the hardest part is figuring out which when to get in, when to enter the trade and when to get out of the trade. Um, but you know, you want to figure you could have had sold this too, like figure out what direction you want to go in because like okay, this is from 1808 to 1802. That's a good amount of pips right there. You could have sold that, too, if you wanted to. Like, so you could like, it could have made a quick $2,000 or more than that, like 10K, 5K, like depending on your lot size, how much you have in your account. And that's for today. Like, I'm making thousands a day, like hundreds a day. Like I have mentors, I know traders that make 20 a day, 10K a day, like from 1808 to 1802. Like that's 10K right there for them. 20K, that's like 1,000 right there for me right now. 2,000 for me right now. But we're gonna eventually gonna work up to 10K, 10K a day, 5K a day. But that's just the hardest. So that's good. That's a good amount of pips from 18 08, 1809 all the way down to 1802. Like best believe that I would take that any day. Um, it's just finding that you have to be very fast because gold likes to head right back up. You have to know like okay, once price heads back down, it makes its higher low. It's going to head back up and make a higher high. Like price has to make structure. Price has to make a higher high. It's going to do that. So um, you want to look at the candlesticks too. Try to look at the candlesticks. Try to this is a more bozo candlestick right here. Green long more bozo candlestick. You see it on the daily too. Like you can see a really this is a real strong Marbozo candlestick on the daily right here. This is a green Marbozo candlestick, green strong pressure Marbozo candlestick, long Marbozo candlestick. Um, so it's showing us strong momentum. That's showing us strong momentum. Like gold is going up strong. Um, So that's what it shows us, and we read the candlesticks to show us, okay, we see prices heading up strong on the daily, long candlestick, Morobozo candlestick heading up on the daily. Now we're scrolling in because we know that overall price is heading up on the daily strongly. So we're scrolling in for buys. We're looking for buys. These will be our entry for buys right here. Once it retests and makes these higher lows. So it's good to find your entry so you can get in for buys. Price then will go back up. But once it goes up, it will always retest. Like once it goes up here, it will retest back down to 1815 before heading back up to 1830. That's where we're hoping price will be at. But right here, you're in profit right here. You're in profit the whole time heading up 1802 to 1820. Like once price bounced off this trend line too, like we were waiting for a bounce off the trend line. Once we got this bounce off the trend line, boom, we knew price was heading back up. After price bounced off the trend line, price is going to continue to head back up. But we're in profit right off this bounce. We're in profit from 802 to 820, 819 right now. But and then take the profit, take that trade. You know, uh, no matter if it's 10, 20, whatever it could be 20K. I've seen so many traders, there's so many great traders out here. Um, I've seen them do so many things where, that could be like 30 right there, 50K, 2K, even if it's 8K, even if it's 800, 500. So what? Build your account up, take the money, this is real money. You can make a lot of money in the market. All right, gang, I'm going to keep posting a lot of more content. So, like, so you can understand like price likes to go to these levels. These are our key levels right here. Price likes to go to these levels. And these are our key levels that price likes to go to. 15, 18 right here. They're our key level right here. 18 key level. These are our key levels that price likes to go to. 18, 15, another key level, and 30. All right, gang. So I'll be posting more content, gang. All right, gang.